now we could talk about the quantum mind. Quantum, as I told you, is from the smallest to the maximum possible. And why the quantum mind? Because our mind is entangled with the quantum field, right? So the mind is limitless, and what we make out of it is totally our choice. Now, what quantum physics reveals about reality? Just understand one thing, that we exist in a space where there are millions of possibilities. Everything is in superposition. But what we focus on, जहां हमारा ध्यान गया, जो हमने बार बार सोचा, जो हमने बार बार किया, that is the observer effect, what we observe, right? And this superposition, what I just mentioned, is where the possibilities are all there, but what we focus on is what we start experiencing. This is what science has now explained. It is not something which is man-made, or it is something what has just come out of the blues. This is what quantum science has. To an extent, they said in some of the experiments that when they were experimenting on the smallest particles, the electrons, so they said it became very difficult to judge the position of the electron, because the moment the focus went on where the electron is, it shifted. Which is why the electron always is in a superposition. आप जहां देखोगे आपको वहीं दिखेगा. So that's the meaning of superposition. आप जिस चीज को सोचोगे वो ही हो जाएगी. So at a scientific level, it is what you focus on is precisely what becomes. So how we interact with that is what we focus on is what we start manifesting. हमारा focus, ध्यान जहाँ पे भी जाएगा, that is what will manifest in our life. Energy versus matter, this is, you are more wave than particle, is very interesting, because like I said, at the finest level, जो matter, what do you call matter? Basically, matter earlier was solids, liquids and gases constituted matter. Solids, liquids and gases constituted matter. तो हम भी matter बन गए. हमारे में तीनों चीजें हैं. Solid भी हैं, liquid तो है ही हमारा blood, और gas तो सुबह सबको ही पता है, release हो ही जाती है ना. तो just joking, but we have all three which constitutes us. But today with quantum, it says that this definition of matter is not solid, liquids and gases. It is energy, frequency and vibration. So now what you consider matter, like solid, the table, let's say. Now if one really dissects the table and goes to the smallest part of the table, the wood molecule, you go to the element of wood, the atom of wood, उसको भी जब आप break करोगे तो it will just be energy. Now we don't see energy as energy, we just see energy when it is consolidated and we see it as tables, right? That finest, minutest form of matter is not visible to the eye. It is only a scientific explanation. Now why I am explaining all this is to understand कि आपका mind क्या क्या कर सकता है. You see, the reason this is just a build up to what your mind can actually do. You see, mind as a quantum field, it is connected to the quantum field. It has unlimited possibilities of whatever is happening. But we all would only focus on based on what our experience is saying. We don't go beyond that. We just confine ourselves to what we know. And what I told you in the beginning is that as human beings, we box ourselves in the realm of our beliefs. तो हम जिस चीज को मानते हैं हम उसी चीज के पीछे बढ़ जाते हैं. We just feel this is how it is, this is how it should be done, and that's how we do it. Right? So we block the other opportunities which might even be existing, which actually are existing, but हम उस तरफ देखते नहीं हैं because we feel this is it. So what we are doing it right because we've done it for the last 10 years. एक ये बड़ा स्टैंडर्ड आपने भी सुना होगा. आप कहते भी होगे कि हमें पता है हम 10 साल से कर रहे हैं. भाई आप कर रहे हो, आप वही चीज करी जा रहे हो. Is there something beyond that? Now when you think is there something beyond that, that's when you expand. That's when your vision expands just by the thought of what is beyond this. So that is called out of the box thinking. Otherwise we confine ourselves to the box. कि this is it. हमें मालूम है, हम करते आए हैं और करके रहे, हम अपने आप को confine ही करी जा रहे हैं. Is that clear? So far so good. Now emotions collapse as wave forms into experience. ये आपको बताया ही है कि what you keep focusing on, what you digest, what you believe is happening. Whether it is good or bad, whatever आपको stimulus मिला हुआ है, वो stimulus जब आपके mind ने process कर लिया है, उसने फिर उसकी एक signal brain को डाल दिया कि whether it is good or bad. And वो जब signal गया है तो the collapse is now when the brain releases an enzymes which you experience. हमारे blood में जब वो enzyme आती है, अच्छी बुरी, we feel good, bad, angry, sad, it is all a question of what is being released by the brain, and that is what we experience, and that is what is called in scientific terms, it's the emotional, is the collapse of the waveform into experience. वो हम experience करेंगे. Is it clear? Neuroplasticity and conscious choice, the brain rewires based on thought repetition. अब हमने भी अपने आप को कितना रिवायर किया हुआ है ये आपको अभी बताते हैं. कैन यू ऑल स्टैंड अप? टेक आउट योर लेफ्ट हैंड. इफ यू आर राइटी, लेफ्ट. जस्ट टेक आउट योर हैंड लाइक दिस. राइटी हो तो राइट हैंड. इफ यू आर लेफ्टी, लेफ्ट हैंड. whichever is your strong hand. Okay, आगे सबका. Now just turn the other way. See how much can you go. Okay, come back. Now close your eyes and in your mind see that you've gone 30% more than what you did last time. Just in your mind. Just think that you've gone 30% more. Just think. Okay. Now open your eyes and do it again. एक बार फिर करो. गए आगे. Okay. You all experience. This is neuroplasticity. Please, you can have your seat. You know, we block ourselves with thinking this is it. For everything. It's just a very small example. I'll give you another one. Take a deep breath. Sorry, take a deep breath. नहीं रुकना नहीं है. Take a deep breath. Now breathe a little more. ये more कहाँ से आ गया? The first time when you took a deep breath, you stopped. Now when I said more, but I thought that the first time what I did was enough. That is the maximum I can do. You see this? These are very simple things. But they are for you to realize that what we feel we are doing the best. This is the max that we can do. We are still wrong over there. ये तो बड़ी simple आपको मैंने चीजें बताई हैं. But the more you practice this, the more you realize कि we are just confining ourselves to our beliefs. कि this is it. So ये आपको समझ आए कि what is neuroplasticity. हमारा ब्रेन ना फिक्स होता है. न्यूरॉन नेटवर्क ना एक पाथवे बना देता है और वो पाथवे हमारा है कि ये दिस इज इट. पर माइंड में हमने जब किया ना, व्हाट आर वी डूइंग व्हेन वी क्लोज आवर माइंड आईज एंड वी थिंक दैट वी आर गोइंग फर्दर, वी आर क्रिएटिंग अनदर पाथवे. दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव डन इन द माइंड. नाउ व्हेन दैट हैज बीन डन एंड वी डू इट फिजिकली, वी गो फर्दर. हम हर एक चीज के लिए फर्दर जा सकते हैं प्रोवाइडेड वी वांट टू. But if we are happy with the way things are, we get stuck. ये हमारी choice है, ये किसी और की choice नहीं है. Nothing is influencing this other than you yourself. Is that clear? Yeah, this is what I've been talking about, the quantum leap mindset, that you have to think out of the box. You can't just be confined to this is what I've been doing, this is what I'm good at, this is how it is done. मुझे पता है, 10 साल का experience है. हम तो 30 साल के बाद भी अभी भी सीखना पड़ता है कि what is next. There is plenty more, right? But one has to be willing to learn. That's the only thing. The moment we do that, we start thinking out of the box. And इसका एक आपको example दूँ. There's a book called U Square. It's by a gentleman called Price Pritchett. उसमें वो example देता है. It's the example of a bee. कि a bee is which is inside a room, is trying to go out and is hitting against the window pane, glass pane में बार बार, which we've also seen at home. It happens so many times. But there are times where the bee would die trying to go out from there, because it feels कि trying harder is the thing, and it keeps trying till it collapses. And maybe 10 feet away there is a door which is open from which it came in. It never came in through this. वो बंद विंडो पेन के थ्रू तो अंदर आ नहीं सकती. सो द डोर विच इज ओपन इज जस्ट 10 feet away, बट दिस इज स्टक ऑन, दिस इज द वे आउट एंड इट कोलैप्सेस. कैन यू रिलेट टू दैट? हम रियल लाइफ में कभी ऐसा कुछ कर देते हैं? वी आर जस्ट एट इट एंड वी बीन टोल्ड ट्राई हार्डर. तो हम हार्ड ट्राई करी जा रहे हैं, सिर फोड़ी जा रहे हैं दीवार के साथ, कुछ हो नहीं रहा, दीवार तो हिल ही नहीं रही है, बट वी बीन टोल्ड ट्राई हार्डर. So trying harder is very wrong. We don't have to try harder, we have to try smarter. And this trying smarter is thinking out of the box. If we are in the box, just remember the bee. तो कहते हैं ना, सिर फाड़ लिया दीवार में मार मार के. That's exactly what happens. Because we are not looking at कि are there other options. We just feel यही है, यहीं try hard करो. We've been told try hard. Oh, that's very old. Those concepts are gone. Now you have to think smart and work smart. Okay? So neuroplasticity, you understand? It is how plastic our brain can be. We only have to make fresh neural pathways, that is fresh ideas, that is fresh thinking, and that is what we start doing. Otherwise we get stuck in the old school of thought only.